Let's see how we can generate a transcript of any videos within a few seconds. So to do that, today we are going to use Notebook LM. So let's see how we can do that. After logging to Notebook LM, you will get the interface like this. Just need to simply click here, try Notebook LM. Then you will get the page almost looking like that. From there, on the top right corner, you will see create new. Just need to click here. Then on the left side here you can see add sources. Just need to simply click over there. And now you need to copy the YouTube video link for which you want to get the transcript. Now come back to Notebook LM. Just need to simply paste the link here and click here. Okay, almost done. So now just if you click here, then here you can see the script is generated here.